Hola, this is Daniel DiTuro. Are you looking for low-calorie ways to add more fiber and protein to your diet? Mexican food is one of the most popular ethnic foods in the U.S. Restaurant and prepared Mexican meals can be high in calories and sodium and low in fiber and protein. One popular Mexican-American food is enchiladas. Enchiladas are cheese or meat filling wrapped in a corn tortilla, topped with a sauce, and baked. The sauce and whole grain corn tortillas provide the fiber. The main sources of protein are the cheese, tortillas, and meat. Instead of individual enchiladas, this recipe uses the same ingredients for an easy enchilada casserole. Preparation time is about 15 minutes and bake time 45 minutes. This recipe makes 6 to 8 servings. You'll need 1 pound of shredded cooked chicken, beef, or pork, about 16 5-inch diameter corn tortillas, about 3½ cups of green or red enchilada sauce. Add another cup of sauce if your meat is on the dry side. And finally, 4 ounces of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. You'll need a 2½ to 3-quart baking dish. If your baking dish does not have a cover, use aluminum foil. Place a rack in the middle of your oven and preheat it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the bottom of your baking dish with about 1/2 cup of sauce. Cover the sauce with 3 or 4 tortillas. For my baking dish, I only needed 3. Top the tortillas with 1/3 of the chicken and 1 ounce of cheese. Pour about 2/3 cup of sauce over the chicken and cheese. I'm using 4 corn tortillas for the second layer, tearing one in half and another in quarters to completely cover the bottom layer. Again, cover the tortillas with 1/3 of the chicken and 1 ounce of cheese. Pour about 2/3 cup of sauce over this layer. My third layer of tortillas is the same as layer 2. Add the rest of the chicken, 1 ounce of cheese, and about 2/3 cup of sauce. Top with the remaining 4 tortillas. Add the remaining sauce and use a spatula if necessary to evenly cover the tortillas. Top with the remaining cheese. Bake covered about 45 minutes or until the sauce bubbles. Cool about 10 minutes and serve. 1/6 of the casserole, about 9 ounces, has 380 calories, about 935 milligrams of sodium using canned enchilada sauce. You can significantly reduce the amount of sodium by using homemade enchilada sauce. You also get 6 grams of fiber and 30 grams of protein. My sample meal includes about 3 ounces of rice and refried beans, 2 ounces of guacamole, and about 1½ ounces of Greek yogurt. My sample meal provides 740 calories, has about 1,400 milligrams of sodium, which is less than most restaurant and prepared Mexican meals. 12 grams of fiber, about 50% of the daily value, and 41 grams of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.